Today my new recipe is sweet and sour mango pickle. I am Krishna Viswas from Krishna's Kadai. Step 1. Add half teaspoon haldi powder, salt as needed. Mix it properly. Once it is done, then keep aside for 2 hours. Step 2. 2 to 4 dry red chilli, half teaspoon kalonji, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon corainder seeds, half teaspoon fennel seeds, 2 to 4 green cardamom, half teaspoon salt. Dry roast for 1 minute. Once it is done, then cool it and keep aside. Now make a fine powder. Step 3. Take 1 bowl Jaggery and half glass water. Boil it till the Jaggery is dissolved. Now strain the Jaggery water so that the dust particles will be not there. Step 4. Heat the pan, add 1 teaspoon mustard oil, add 2 dry red chilli, half teaspoon panch foran. Let it crackle for few minutes. Step 5. Add marinate mango. Mix it well. Add Jaggery water little by little. 1 teaspoon rock salt, roasted masala powder. Mix it well and cook till it is gravy. Now you can see the color is changing because of Jaggery. Now it is done. Transfer to a beautiful bowl. Cool it and transfer to a airtight container. Enjoy the sweet pickle with chapati or paratha.